We are done with that. Thank you so much. Can I have Uganda Microfinance Support Center, please? And after the support center, let's move fast, ladies and gentlemen, in the interest of time. We have some other cultural rituals that are supposed to follow, and that is the king putting on the crown. That's a Uganda Microfinance Support Center. Next, after Uganda Microfinance Support Center, is Pastor Bujjingo. Pastor Bujjingo and your dear wife, please, you're next.
Twabantu manyisa abanyamirwa inywena
Ninsaba
mwetekanize.
Can I have the delegation from MTN Uganda next? MTN Uganda. Then MTN Uganda, all the political leaders. All the political leaders. MTN Uganda, please. After MTN, all the political leaders, you are next. Can I have MTN Uganda, please? MTN Uganda, after MTN Uganda, all the political leaders. All the political leaders. Yeah, I'm sending again on Maiso. Jaja and family, Jaja Mukasa and family. Next will be the aunties and uncles of His Majesty the King. Jaja Mukasa and family. Jaja, please, you are next. Jaja is next, and after Jaja, the aunties and uncles of His Majesty the King, you are next. After the aunties, we have Madam Sylvia Mbabazi and family from Kampala. You'll be next. Saba Jaja, after Jaja's photo, aunties and uncles of His Majesty. In Sabbath, let's try to keep time and let's try to move fast. As I read in Nyimba to be very near so that the photo session doesn't take a long, much time. Jaja is done. Let's go to aunties and uncles of His Majesty the King. As that is being picked, we have Madam Sylvia Mbabas and family from Kampala. Hope you are nearby. Meanwhile, na Haji Mugisa Owisaza Kampala Entebbe Jinja nebikaro byona obeneno etekaniza. Wow, what a wonderful moment. After that, Madam Sylvia Mbabas and the family, please. Next. Turakeho habobwire. Haji Mugisa Owisaza Kampala and your family, please. Mubeni mwetekaniza. Haji mubeni mwetekaniza na familia yawe. Abarukutunde bisani mu VIP mu rugeyo. Rundi mbasindikira arabanyirayo bwangu.
Nko muduma ki?
Nyina habarukora.
Ayiragira nko muduma.
Our family ya Haji. Next is the Movit. Movit, you are next.
Gorobye nzaire.
Movit ni yerukwongeraho.
Gorobye mwebingwa. Gorobye Iguru lyera.
Movit ni yerukwongeraho.
Gorobye omusakazi atanaganjura.
Agutambo bwabungire kigezi abanyakigezi bakakutangira mu kitinise ky'amani kandi kikatuhise kitinisa nkatoro no kwikara hamu na bagenzi baitu. Abanyakigezi ni basaba mwetekaniza after Movit bwangu. Abanyakigezi mwetekanize bwangu. Ayesiga Muzamil. Agutamba ayesiga Muzamil ogwa kugonza ati nyino kunso kukusoborora.
Tuliba wenza
ati ahe nyikiaye teriniye ya bulikero busa.
Tuliba mwebingwa.
Movit is next. Movit, please.
Ekisani ky'omwaka.
National Drug Authority ni basaba nenyo kwetakaniza na Uganda AIDS Commission.
Tuliba wamara.
Hati ayesiga nubakutwara umwirwaro hako wakusemerera wa kuingi. That's Movit. Nisaba abanyakigezi to be next. National Drug Authority na Uganda AIDS Commission ebiri kuja kumalirayo bibiri agutamba nibyo ebya amatendekero gaitu abiri Uganda Pentecostal University hamu na Mountains of the Moon University. So timu ezibiri mbasaba kwetekaniza. Abo no abanyakigezi. Nisaba National Drug Authority, please. Next. National Drug Authority and then Uganda AIDS Commission will follow. Then in Kwantunge, Mountains of the Moon University, followed by Uganda Pentecostal University. Turauchio tukwato wili.
Buyire, tuli mbuyire bwe kandi mbe tuli kubaliza ababito kati bamazira kuheka muchwa kandi nainywe mwanguhe
Ekihoire, let's go for another one.
Abanyoro rundi abamasaza mugende enyuma ya Kasenda nokorukira abasaijo Omukama.
Nisaba Mountains of the Moon hamu na Uganda Pentecostal University buli omu each institution habwayo.
Abamasaza enyuma ya Kasenda abebitebe
Mountains of the Moon University mjiho.
Enyuma kuli mwetagwa
Mountains of the Moon, next please. Uganda AIDS Commission, okay, Uganda AIDS Commission and then MMU and then Uganda Pentecostal University.
mwangushe
Let's move
abanyamirwa
fast. I'm running short of time.
abandi yo ninda mugende nyima.
Bemeraho bwangu. It will be the last. Yeah, let them start. Can I have MMU, please? MMU next, and then Uganda Pentecostal University. Nimbasaba babeheya. Okay, yeah, MMU Chihoire, Uganda Pentecostal University. Uganda Pentecostal University. That's Madam Pelusi, Professor Pelusi Ntamburueki. Okay. Nisaba Banalurungi, last picture, please, last photo. Mujieho, last, and that is the very last one. Tugende ha item end. Abakuru ba Movit, Nisaba, one of the officials to come close to me and I consult you about something.
Obwire bunu tulibawo mwebingwa ebyona bitara byawa gutamba.
Hold on after that.
Bona
That
bawe
is the last abala.
Owekitinisa otwikirize tugende omurugo kandi bikira abasaijo Omukama najja kuba ajwaze kondo aije
Ekicho kisani kyokumaliro Mukama anagenda
ageho omukaito
kala abanyamirwa nimbasaba, this is your ascension. Abanyamirwa mwetekanize.
Tulibawo enzairi tulibawo mwebingwa tulibawo musakazi atanaganjura. Leka abanyabitebe mugende enyuma, abamasaza inywena mugende enyuma ya muchwa. Lukira abasaijo Omukama abasanyi.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the essentials as part of the celebration. Next is the king is coming once again, now in a very special attire, and of course with a crown. And it's also so interesting that you don't have to miss it. Abanyoro na bakyara emyenda ya toli nywena nimbasaba kugumisiriza akuba twagenda hamukoro gundi. Abanyamirwa inywena ninyesiga mazire kwetekaniza nabweki twajja kujya hamukoro ogundi Omukama kujwali ekondo nemirwendi yona nkokweba nabweki nimbasaba tube tyagumisirize kurora n'omukoro ogunagwo gwasobora kubaho kandi oro. DJ
linda hokake. Omukasome kanu rukira abasaijo Omukama na agenda kujwaza